Hi, welcome to Forest Rock Qigong. This is a 10-minute Qigong routine for vitality. So I'm going to do the exercise first, the five exercises first, and for the 10 minutes, and then I'll go back and explain a bit more detail about each of them. So the first one's called Pine Tree Moves in the Breeze. It's from the Long Life Qigong system. So we're going to change weight. We're going to move on to the right foot. I'm going to mirror you. We're going to go to the right foot, and we're going to pick up the opposite hand. Yeah. And we're going to come down. The hand comes up the same side and down. Then we're going to move on to the left. We're going to pick up the left hand, bring the hand down, and hand comes up and down. Comes up, down. This helps with the right and left hemispheres. Stimulates the kidney essence. And it's good via the dumai, which is the governing vessel that travels down the body. Yeah. Comes up, down, up, down. Comes up. Whoops, went the wrong way then. Comes up. So it's the opposite hand. Don't do what I just did then. Come down. Down. Comes up. Comes down. Up and down. Good. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Up, down, up, down. Now breathe in as you come up, breathe out as you go down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Next exercise is called rowing the boat in the middle of the lake. It's from the Sherba Shu Tai Chi Qigong system. You're going to lower yourself down, turn your palms to the front. There, energetic movement. This exercise strengthens the spleen and the stomach. It's good for digestion. Promotes the flow of qi, especially in the liver meridian, the liver qi. And breathe out. Breathe in as it comes up. And then breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Good go. And one more. Next one we do is called Zen Fa the kidneys. It's a exercise out of the Long Life Qigong system again. And we're going to rub our hands together first. And we're going to put them on our kidneys at the back. And then we're going to rub our kidneys. So you feel the warmth of your palm of your hands warming up your kidneys. And then we're going to make two fists, light fist, nice and relaxed fist, and we're going to pound our kidneys with our fist. Yeah, and don't do it too hard, but you do it 50 times, yeah? Very good. So what we're going to do is from the Long Life Qigong system again. This one's called Water Rises to the Sky. This balances the kidneys and the bladder meridian, and it also helps with the fluid metabolism inside the body. This is a great exercise to bring in life and vitality inside your body. It also refreshes your mind and makes your heart smooth and calm, yeah? So you can bring both hands up. It's a beautiful exercise. And coming down. Scoop in water. And then bring the arms back down. Breathing in, looking backwards. And then breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and then breathing out. Last one. Breathing in and breathing out. And the last exercise is the Jiao exercise from the Six Healing Sounds, yeah? So we're going to lower ourselves, we're going to turn our palms out and it's like grasping the chi of heaven. And we're going to grasp it as you're going to bring it through our body, through our mind, through our upper, middle, and lower jiao. And then we're going to turn the palms out, grasping chi again, breathing in. And then breathing out, calming the mind, energizing the upper jiao, middle jiao, lower jiao. With a triple warmers, yeah? Breathing in. Out. Breathing in. The upper jiao is for respiration, the middle jiao is for digestion, and the lower jiao is for elimination. We're balancing these three centers. Breathing in. We're bringing vitality to all the organs, to our heart, to our vitality, to our mind, our heart, all our organs. Breathing in. Good. Bring your hands back onto your lower dantian. For males, have your left hand with your right over the top. For females, your right with your left over the top. And just breathe in and breathe out and relax. Good. So that's a nice, easy 10-minute practice for vitality and to enrich the body's energy. I'll go through the exercise a bit more. The pine tree moves in the breeze, the first one for the long life Qigong system. It has a lot, so it's multifaceted, but the important part is about the kidney essence, which is your life force as such. And so what it does is helps to stimulate the life force inside your body, which is what creates the longevity. The Dumai, which is the big meridian that travels down the back of the body, which is one of the extraordinary vessels, it sends energy from all through the body, through the kidneys, and so distributes energy to all the different organs. Yeah. And so this exercise, when we're moving out, we're bringing our opposite hand, opposite arm up. And this idea of this coordination, because it's also good for the right and left coordination or hemisphere coordination of your mind as well. And so when we've got both sides, we're coordinating both sides of that, but by doing that, we coordinate what's happening inside our mind, both hemispheres. Of course, that coordinates all of the Dumai and all the spine and all the nerves that come out through the spine at the same time, yeah? And then also elevates the kidneys and the essence inside the kidneys. It's a great exercise. Rowing the boat in the middle of the lake, the next exercise. It's a really good exercise for the spleen and stomach. And because we get energy from the food we eat, it's really important to get the vitality from that. We want our spleen and stomach functioning really well. So when we get our energy from our food, so we lower ourselves down, when we get the energy, we get all the full energy from the food, because our stomach and our spleen are functioning perfectly, and this exercise helps them to function. So then our digestion's good, so then we get more energy. Yeah. Breathe out on the way down. Breathing in as we come up. Breathing out on the way down. Breathe in on the way up. Out on the way down. Breathe in. And then we're breathing out. Perfect. Send far the kidneys, of course, back to the idea of our kidneys. Our kidneys like our battery in our body. And so we're stimulating our body. We're warming it up first. We warm up the kidney. We rub our kidneys, warm it up. And then we do the kufa, which is the tapping of the kidneys, yeah, which we're tapping with both fists. And it's a gentle tap. You're not hitting yourself hard. It's a gentle tap, but you're innervating the energy inside the kidney organs that travels through the kidney meridians, yeah. So you're activating the kidney movement of qi, yeah. Very good. So we're doing that. We do that 50 times, yeah. Water rises from the sky. Exercise is also a water element, which is to do with the kidneys as well. And so we're given this idea, and we're also using the flexation of the spine. So we're moving our spine forward and backwards as well during this exercise. Good for the bladder, and the bladder meridian travels down the back, starts for your eyes, goes across the top, and all the way down your back, either side. The Dumai is in the middle, and the bladder's right down the back channel. So you're activating all the bladder meridian as well as the kidneys meridians with this exercise. You bring your hands up, you rotate from your hips. So when you get your hands on top, you turn your hips, you bend your hips over, and then you rotate back to the front, and then you come up, and then you're bending backward, you're watching your hand, and you feel the stretch in your spine. And then you can bring your hands back down to the front. Yeah, it comes back, straight back up to the top. Turn from the hips, bend from the hips, rotate back to the front. It's like scooping the water up, leaning backwards, and then return the chi back to the lower tier. Very good. And the last one was the same Jiao exercise from the Six Healing Sounds. We're not doing the sound for this one today because our focus is on the consolidation of the chi and the vitality and bringing vitality. So what we're doing is we're energizing the 3 jiaos and with this exercise. And you're breathing in and you're grasping the energy from heaven. And then you're bringing it down through the body, through the upper jiao, middle jiao, lower jiao. Yeah. We're breathing and grasping heaven's chi. And you're bringing it in through the body. Now remember, the upper jiao is to do with respiration, the middle jiao is to do with digestion, and the lower jiao is to do with the elimination of waste inside the body. Breathing in. And you're bringing vitality to all the internal organs and all the functions of all the organs, yeah? Very good. It's got a whole lot of ducks walking past at the beach here. We're at the beach and a whole lot of ducks is waddling past. I love that. And bringing the energy down. Okay. Strengthens the core energy inside our body, helps to ground our body, and also centers our chi as well. And this gives us lasting vitality in our body. This is a great practice. You do these every day and you'll just feel so much different. Yeah. If you have any questions, please ask, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.